In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in OneNote to light or dark mode, and how to fix it if it gets stuck in dark mode. Customizing OneNote's appearance can make your notes easier on the eyes, improve focus, and help you work comfortably for longer periods. Light mode is perfect for bright environments, while dark mode reduces eye strain in low-light settings. To start, open OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook or page you want to adjust. At the top left corner, click on the File tab to access Settings. From there, select Options. This is where you can control various OneNote preferences, including the appearance of your notebook. In the General Options menu, look for the section labeled Office Theme or Background. Here you'll see the available choices: light, dark, and sometimes use system setting. Select light mode if you want a bright background with dark text, or dark mode for a dark background with light text. The change will apply immediately to your pages, giving you a preview of how it looks. If your OneNote is stuck in dark mode and won't switch back, don't worry. First, make sure you're not using the system-wide theme setting that forces apps into dark mode. Simple, go to the View tab, then find the Switch Background. It will change the color of background immediately. Additionally, check that your OneNote app is updated. Sometimes older versions can have display issues that prevent theme changes. Updating the app ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. Once you've adjusted the theme, your pages should display consistently in the selected mode. You can still manually change page color for individual pages if needed, while keeping the overall app theme intact. This combination of settings lets you customize your workspace fully, whether you prefer a bright, clean look or a darker, more relaxed background. And that's it. Now you know how to switch between light and dark mode in OneNote, and how to troubleshoot if the app gets stuck in one mode. Customizing your background makes your notes more comfortable to read and helps you stay productive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell